Alright, today we have a quick project that I'm going to do with my son. This is called a Serpent Weeping Blue Atlas. If you notice, what makes this tree unique is that it winds back and forth. There's a bamboo stick stuck in the ground and every bend gets tied off to the bamboo stick. So what makes this tree unique is that it goes back and forth and it just kind of winds kind of like a snake, and it gets tied off to the bamboo stick. And we're due for another bend here, so you can see this end right here is getting pretty long, so you have to manually bend this and mold it. So this one's going to come back around like so, and we're going to have to tie this off, but we are out of bamboo stick, so we are going to have to get a new stick so that we can tie this off to keep this pattern going. But here at Fabrication Nation, we like to be different, and instead of bamboo, we're going to go with a metal fabricated spear.
I've been moving condos, find no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, I feel good when I'm alone, leave me in the studio, daily self-discovery, holiday recovery, they love them instead of me, and still bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wish, they wish, they wish, they wish, they wish, they wish. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snowboard, I'm sorry. 93, I even got it tatted on me. 2012, lady, y'all not feeling sorry. And you know me, without T there probably would be no me, dog. Holler back at me in 2023. Lying bitches up from the nosebleeds, yeah. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own, Here's to me and Team Thoreau, yeah. Holding down Colorado, staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day Drake see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP, and still bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wish, and they wish, and they wish.